Hi, bafethu kaya la uthile izandla. No, give this man a bells. Man said I want out. Vele wathi ngifuna ukuhamba. I want to leave. Guess what? He's left. He's left without any confirmation, any media coverage, anything. No word from Sundowns, nothing. Ribeiro is in Spain now. The fact that lo muntu lo katafuna ukuhamba ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke, he went to his second division eSpain just to leave Mamelodi Sundowns. Why? Hayi no, le awuthile ngiyayivuma le ngwenya le Costa Ribeiro. You are a legend in my eyes. Who does this? Makes his own announcement, own transfer, everything. Hayi ngiyakuvuma Ribeiro. You are a star, my G.